They tried to attack Jesus at the weakest moment of his life. That's when the enemy tried to come after him and thought that it was over. That's just like the devil. He'll try to kick you when you're down. He'll try to kick you at the weakest moment of your life. But they didn't know that it wasn't over then. Because Paul said that my grace is sufficient for you, and my strength is made perfect in weakness. So even, he says, when you're weak, he says, then I'm strong in your life. Because what God showed us, that when God is the greatest in our life, when his power is the greatest, is when we're at our worst, when we're at our weakest. That's when his power is the greatest in us. So don't worry about a weak moment. Don't worry about a weak day. Jesus is there to help carry you even in the weakest moment of your life. When you can't carry yourself, when you feel like I can't go on another day, I don't want to live no more, I don't think I can make it another day, Jesus' power, his presence is right there at that moment to help carry you, to help you, to lift you back up once again. Hallelujah. Come on and stand to your feet. Somebody is having a weak moment, a weak time, a weak season in their life. Somebody's going through a storm. Jesus is here to help you make it through that storm.